Hi everybody, with that short video I would like to show you how to make a full model with MountWizzard3, and in my case it's a 43-point model. First I start MountWizzard, get all the information, and my starting point is the initial model I did last time, so I have 3 points with rough alignment. It's not best polar aligned, but I don't need it at that point, and I don't need it for imaging later on. So I open the hemisphere window, move to the full model tab, and I choose the minimal set of points. In my case, with the horizon mask, it's 43 points to process. So MountWizzard distribute the points equally over the hemisphere, not on a grid point, but on a really hemisphere point, and then I start running the full model. From that point on, MountWizzard does automatic slewing, imaging, and plate solving. So we go to the first point. You see on the hemisphere window that we have the first image taken. If you hear that beep, it's the audio signal which says basically slewed, finished. So you get the information from the mount back to MountWizzard and then to your loudspeakers. And then I would like to speed up a little bit later on that video, so I get the feedback about the plate solving parameters, how far your points are away from the model itself, and MountWizzard will continuously running that. On the top you see the numbers of points you have slewed, imaged, and solved. So that's now a running process, and we speed up a little bit, and I leave you with that modeling for a few seconds. So as you can see, MountWizzard does the left part, so that's the west side and the east side, in a different way. So we split it to avoid Meridian flips, and we have the order of the stars so that you get the minimum path to slew, so that you can quick it up as fast as possible. So the mount has to slew the minimum way, and so that reduces the amount of time which MountWizzard really needs to make the model. So now we come close to the end, where we have all pictures, images done and sorted out, and the final step would be to program the star and model data to the mount. So that starts right now. When you had the last image taken and plate solved, if you look to the hemisphere window to the top, so the progress bar for programming, so that's the transfer of the data to the mount, takes place right now. Takes some seconds, and at the end you will see that we only transfer 41 points, because for 2 points we have no plate solving solution. So perhaps it was on the lower limit of my horizon and I didn't get the right picture to make that happen. Now we are set. We reload the model from the mount back. Now we move over to the Manage Model window and we see our model with the errors, and now we can do optimization. That's another video. I wish you a lot of fun and have clear skies. Thank you.